as you come up here. Take it up another gear. And that's it.
It's hard not to look in the mirror.
It is, it's a habit. That's it. So follow it round to the left. Keep to the left as you come onto the straight, and we'll head up towards the second corner. You start feeding a bit of power on now. Take it up a gear. That's it. Keep straight up here for now. Take it up another gear. Perfect. So you do have the double orange cones. They're your braking references, but we'll go a little bit further this time. So just slightly on the brakes into here, turn in at the blue cone. If you ease off the brakes, going across to the yellow cone on the inside. That's it. Nice and easy on the power as you come around here then. And then right over to the left on the exit. Start feeding the power on. Keep right over to the left, up towards the grass line. That's it. Keep it straight now. Keep it in this gear all the way up here for now. That's it. And then gently on the brakes. Take it across to the right just slightly. That's it. And then over to the left towards the blue cone. On the brakes and down a gear. And we're going across to the right. That's it. A little bit of power as you come through here. Back to the left slightly, and then you've got a long right onto a straight, so you can start feeding the power on as you're coming round here. Take it up a gear. That's it. Keep to the inside all the way around for now. That's it. And then over to the left as you exit the corner, and that's it. Keep on going over to the left. Feed the power on, and up a gear. Keep over to the left a little bit more for me. Just got a chicane coming up down here, so keep it straight now. On the brakes and down a gear, and then if you take it down another gear, we're going across to the right. Through these cones here, that's it, and then back to the left now, and then you can start feeding the power on. Take it up to the white lines on your left hand side there. Keep it straight now, keep it in this gear, and then onto the brakes slightly into here. Turn in at the blue cone across to the inside. That's it. And nice and easy on the power. It's a double right hand here, so if you come across to the middle of the track, it just makes the next part easier. We're going to the right hand side of the big cone in the middle. That's it. Keep going round to the right, and then nice and easy on the power, over to the right hand side for me, and then we're back to where we started now. So a little bit of power as you come up here. That's it. Keep feeding the power on all the way over to the left, towards that cone on the inside there. That's it. And then keep to the left as you come up this straight. You can use a bit more power if you like up this straight here. Take it up a gear. Perfect. And then onto the brakes, nice and easy into here. Aiming for the blue cone. And then if you ease off the brakes all the way across to the inside, start feeding the power on as you come around this corner. That's it. Right over towards the grass on the exit, and then feed the power on. That's it. Keep going with the power up here. Good. And then onto the brakes and into here now. That's it. Cross to the right just slightly, and then back on the brakes and down the gear as you're coming into here. Good. All the way over to the right. A little bit of power as you come through here. Back to the left slightly, and then start feeding the power back on again. Keep to the inside. Take it up a gear. That's it. And then the last big bit of power now before going back in the pit lane. So if you start bringing it over to the left, keep feeding the power on. I'll let you know when to brake. That's it. Take it up a gear. Keep going with the power. That's it. And then onto the brakes now. Take it down a gear, and then down another gear, and then cross to the right. Good. And then ease off the brakes as you come left. Back on the power down here. Keep over to the left for me. That's perfect. If you start slowing it down, then we'll head back into the pit lane this time. So if you keep to the left as you come around this corner for me, just keep it nice and wide, and that's it, just so the car can pass on the inside. Perfect. Enjoy that?
Yeah, I think I was just getting into it. Yeah.
Exactly, it's over so fast, isn't it? So we're going to the left hand side of the cone this time.
Wait, so if you want to squeeze on the brake for me, just turn the key all the way forward. That's it. And then just squeeze on the brake, push that start button till the tyres up. Happy days. Cool. So just rolling out round to your left hand side. That's it, cool. So then just up a gear, think of it a little bit like a slip road onto a motorway.
Okay.
So we're going to use it to build up the speed and merge with the circuit. So that's it, and then up a gear. Perfect. Keep building the power up another gear. I've got all the mirrors set for me, so I'll let you know what's on each way. So through to the left hand side, keep building up the power. That's you're clear and away we go. Go, go, go. and up a gear, keep on the power, just sit behind the Aston one. So overtake on the right, go, go, go. That's it, overtake the Audi as well. That's it. And then off the brakes, roll up to that right hand side. That's it. Squeeze the power as we roll through. Out to your left, build it up, use all the road, and away we go. Go, go, go. That's it. And up a gear. Keep going, keep going. On the brakes for me now, nice and firm. Down the gear. Stay left. Follow the circuit out to your blue cone on the left hand side. Now round to the right. That's it. Over to your right, through to your left. Bit the power up as we roll through. Round to the right. Keep building, keep building, keep building. Hug the inside. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Out to your left and away we go. Go, go, go. And up a gear. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Up another gear. Keep going, keep going. On the brakes, coming now nice and firm. Down again. More brakes. More brakes now. One more. Off the brakes through to your left. That's it. Over to your left hand side. You have to put a bit more effort into the brakes before this is more solid pedal. That's it. Onto the brakes for me now. Down a gear. Off the brakes, hug up towards the inside. I can go around here, up the grass line as we go around on the inside. Just nice and patient with the power, because the road kind of squares off on the exitway and meets the runway. It's a little bit of a weird shape. So up towards the right hand side, as it build the power up, over to your right, up to your blue cone, and away we go. Go, go, go. All the way, keep going, keep going. That's it, just roll round the outside, build the power up, build it up, build it up, build it up, and away we go. Go, go, go. That's it, keep going. And up a gear, stay left, keep on the power, keep going. Over to your left, on the brakes for me now, down a gear. That's it. Start to bleed off the brakes up to your right hand side, roll through, start to build the power up now, out towards your left, build it up, out to your left, use all the road, and away we go, 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 and keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it, onto the brakes for me now, nice and firm, stay left, off the brakes, follow the curve of the circuit, out to your left, down to that blue cone on the left hand side, that's it, roll round to the right, up towards the inside, build the power up through to your left, keep building, round to the right, keep building the power up, keep going, keep going, keep going, hug the grass line on the way through, keep on the power, out to your left, go, 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 all the way, and up a gear, keep going, keep going, keep going, and up another gear, on the brakes for me now, down again, down one more, that's it, lead off the brakes, over to your right, through to your left, hit the power through the left and away we go, 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 out to the white line, keep going, keep going, keep going, onto the brakes for me now, nice and firm, that's it, lead off the brakes, we're going to stay out to your left hand side this time, just roll round the outside, and we'll come back into the pits this time. How was that?
Yeah. Good?
Yeah, we're round to the right. Perfect. So which one do you prefer out of the two?
I think I probably prefer the other one,
Yeah.
but I didn't drive it as well as perhaps I in here, yeah.
Yeah.
I suppose I could have done if I'd have had a bit more confidence in it, yeah. It just felt smoother than this one.
Yeah.